Come on! Come on!
What's up, guys? Welcome back to OK for Kids TV. We are a safe fan, certified to review, game, and fun time channel. And this channel, I review the newest and the latest toys. Some of them are not out of the market yet, so make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Today we're going to be opening up this Nano Box Sumo from Hexbug. And thank you, Hexbug, for sending us this Sumo box. And today, I'm gonna be playing with this with my dad. Yeah!
Hi guys! So let's see what's inside.
Okay, we're twins actually. We're both red.
I like this box. It's
Yeah.
pretty cool.
We should save that.
Pretty colorful. I
Yeah,
like
we should
it.
save that.
Yeah. So
Okay.
put that down there.
And if you didn't notice, me and my dad are matching.
Okay, so here's what it looks like.
Whoa!
So it's like an arena. It's like a wrestling arena.
Right here.
Cool.
So let's open up a slot. So first, let's start with the characters. So I'll take out one. You take out one. Okay?
Okay.
Take your. Whoa!
Okay, so we have
Okay, you go
this
first.
character boxes. So this one is,
A salt figure.
yeah, it's like a salt figure.
And I got a guy from the Egyptians. Got a guy from the Egyptians, and he's like the king. I really like that one.
So this
like
is how
that one.
you make the sumo. So you just, it's like making a box. So just make a box. Okay, we're gonna pick another character. Mine is Bulletproof Ben.
Wait, what?
There's a name.
Oh.
Bulletproof Ben. There it is. And the first one I got was Salty Soul.
And then with this one, I got Sammy Slasher.
Sammy Slasher. Look at that.
And then what I got, was my character, I got Chopping Chicken.
Chopping Chicken. Chopping Chuck.
I thought you
Chopping
said-
Chuck.
I thought I said chicken.
Okay, ready for the next?
Yep.
Okay. So this one we have Cranberry Carl. This is like a bird. It's a bird looking.
Oh, it's a turkey.
Oh, it's a turkey.
No, it's a...
That's why it's cranberry,
Wait,
because
hold
it's a turkey.
If you see ever seen that champ, it's called Champion.
Ooh,
It's a
it's a
champion.
champion. So
But
this is a turkey looking character,
And it's a champion.
his name is Cranberry Carl, and he's the champion. So this is the champion.
And then what I got is Rooftop Ruddy.
Rooftop Rudy. Cool. Okay, ready for the next one?
Oh no, that one's...
Oh,
You-
and there's a mystery character.
No,
that,
you get to make that one. So you make if you get one of these boxes, you get to make
so
your
there's
own
one
character.
that you can make your own.
Yeah, you just draw on it and you can make your own. I'm excited for mine because I'm gonna make it into a monkey, and it's gonna wear a shirt that says
Massive monkeys.
No, it's gonna say OK for Kids TV. I'll go now. I'll
Okay,
go.
your turn.
Okay, I got this
It's like
Frankenstein,
a Frankenstein.
and his name is Rusum Frank.
Rusin Frank. Okay, he looks like Frankenstein.
Let's open up another one.
Okay.
You go first.
Ooh, mine looks like a karate guy.
No, it's a queen.
Oh, it's a princess. Princess Suplex. The heck is it?
Duplex.
Is this like Brock Lesnar? Suplex. Suplex Princess. Cool.
And then
What'd you get?
I got an angel. And if he reminds me of like a TV show that I watch. They tell jokes, but he's actually
It's a baby angel.
it's an angel.
Cool. And his name is Straight Shot Shane. Very cool.
Because you know how people
Okay, let's show them what else is in the box. So, okay, let's put that on the side. So we have the ring.
I'm trying to.
So this is the ring where they have the match. So it's like a wrestling match. There we go. And then we also got the base for the boxes. It's right there. And then we have the chair for the arena. And there's cushions. So this is where the other sumos will sit. So look at that. It's like a couch.
They're not watching.
If they want to watch, feel free to watch, people. Okay, we got the arena, we got the base, and we also got the vibrating bugs. This is the Nano. So this is called the Nano. Let's show you guys how to build the Nano boxes. So I'll put this down here. So first thing is, before any match, you pick your sumo wrestlers. So you pick your sumos. So we'll put the sumos over here. So they're just watching.
I got one already then.
Okay.
I didn't turn it on though.
Okay, so we'll show you how to...
Can I show them? Because I know how to show them. Okay. So first you grab a base for the...
So there's the base right here.
And then you pick out your like
Nano.
bug. Yeah,
so this is the Nano.
You pick out your Nano, and what you do is you go on for the this part. So you see right here, it's kind of shaped as the bottom.
Yeah. So the pointed bottom goes to the bottom.
And then you set it, and then you have look, and you will see it has the same part. So then you just slide it into there.
Yep.
And then when you slide it into there, you turn it on and you put it in your character.
Yep. So it should slide very fit. It shouldn't be moving. And then you just put the box on top of it. Actually, turn it on first. So this is the ring. So are you ready? I'm sliding my. My first wrestler is Cranberry Carl. Are you ready for the match?
I'm not ready yet.
Oh, you're not?
I just explained it and I just did it earlier. Okay, there, got it.
Okay.
And then I have Rooftop Rudy.
Okay, now turn it on. So we're gonna turn it on now. And then we're gonna slide the box. Okay, make sure it's snug.
Yep.
You ready?
Yep.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Cranberry Carl versus, what's his name?
Rooftop
Rudy. Okay.
Ready, set,
go. Let's see who's gonna win. Come on. Punch him, punch him.
Yeah. Mine is
Come on, SummerSlam.
Come on, baby.
He's like, come on, man.
Yeah, come on.
Come on, come on. No, you're done. I won.
No, 1-0.
So I won the first round. Whoop, whoop.
But I'm gonna win the next
And we're still the champion. Cranberry Carl. Okay, we're gonna sit Cranberry Carl on the leaderboard. Right here is the leader seat. Cranberry Carl. Okay. He lost, so he needs to heal over here. I'm gonna have Sammy Slasher. I'm gonna Sammy Slasher your.
I'm gonna get.
Okay, I'm gonna change my Nano.
Sublex.
Are you ready?
Nope. Okay, now I am. Ready, set,
go!
Whoa! Already! I run already!
Oh no! Sammy Slasher. Sammy Slasher is with Rudy. Oh, losers. That's the loser couch. Okay, who's gonna be your next fighter?
I'm gonna have Salty Sal.
Oh, Bulletproof Ben. Okay, my next fighter is Bulletproof Ben.
I don't even have
Round 3. Ready?
Ready, set,
go! Come on! What the heck? Your thing is good.
Yeah, because
Oh,
I got
come
it.
on.
I got a new one. But I'm not ready yet.
Ladies and gentlemen, round 4 of sumo.
You know who's gonna
Wrestling here. You ready?
win? Come on. There. Ready,
Ready, set, go! Come on. Yeah! Okay, so here's the monkey character.
That's not a monkey.
It is a monkey.
That's a human. It's a
We haven't-
monkey.
His name is Massive Monkey. Massive Monkey versus
Frankenstein.
Frankenstein.
Ready, set.
No, hold on. Okay, round number
Fine.
5. This is the final round for the elimination.
And then we do the announcers where
Okay.
everybody wrestles.
Ooh. Okay, ready,
Ready,
set, go. Ah!
Yeah!
Massive Monkey.
No,
Now, it's the champion versus champion. Okay, which one are you gonna pick? Only here.
Okay.
So this will be round number 6.
I'm gonna take turkey.
You're gonna pick turkey. So I'm
I
gonna,
got a champion one.
okay, I'm gonna pick Salty Paul. Salty Paul. Ready,
Set,
go.
Go.
Salty Paul. Come on, Salty Paul. Yep, I won. Winner. Salty Paul is the winner.
Okay, then I'm taking her.
Okay, I'm gonna pick Straight Shot Shane. Ready?
Set.
Set, go. Ah! So championship will be between Salty Saul and Straight Shot Shane.
I'm taking salty stuff.
Okay, I'm gonna have Straight Shot Shane. My name is Straight Shot Shane, and I will be the champion.
Okay, ready, set, go.
Ready, set, go.
I win!
What's his name? Salty Salt won.
I'm the champion.
We are the champions, my friend. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, we have the champion. It's Salty Salt. What do you think about the Nano Sumo box?
I think it's pretty cool and it's really awesome to play with. It's because there's a lot of characters and a lot of stuff it comes with. And I really like the bugs. It's because, I don't know, I just like bugs.
So yeah, this is a pretty cool game. So it's made of boxes. And yeah, it's a cool game. It's a 2-player game, and you can have multiple players depending on who wants to do the match. And yeah, so this is cool. So